Anyway, good morning po to everybody. Good morning. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and to ask God to bless them so that they will be strengthened in their love together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Sige po, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples at ako kontrato nga wedding ako? One, very good. Let us proceed. Sige tayo dalawa. Pagkarap kayo ng dalawa. Joshel, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Mark Rahel, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Yes. Very good. Yung dalawa, you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and voluntary deed? Yes. Yes. Good. Sige. Mark Rahel, will you have Joshua Gay to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others? Be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Yes. Very good. Joshua Gay, will you have Mark Rahel to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking all others? Be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes.
Good. Yes, sing. A circle is a symbol of wholeness and perfection and unity. Like circles, rings have no beginning and no end. These are tokens of a growing relationship that you have come here to celebrate and confirm. Sige, mauna ka, Mark. Kunin mo yung sing-sing. Tapos, sabihin mo yung sasabihin ko. Okay? I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Sige, so kung sing-sing. Follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, ito na. Sunod naman. Sige, harap na kayo dito sa parents naman natin. Ma'am, manamit pa yung kinwish yung nagiging kasal ng apo. Sige, nagiging kaya po.
Siyempre, tatlo sila.
Lahat mamaya tatlo. Sige.
The more the merrier.
The more the merrier. Sige na namin, wish you. Tatlo pa.
Bago siya tayo ang ako. Tiwis ko kada ito yung anak. Sabi ko na, madal na, salunat na, naranyag na pamilya, nawagsak na pamilya. Ito yun.
Very good na.
Thank you, Mami.
Pinaybaga ng apo. Sabi niya ako nga, pinagpamilya kayo.
Lord.
Uy, kayo po naman siya. Pinagkat mo. Sabi niya, naragsak namin inaldo yung marka na ganun tiyan.
Yes, thank you na. O, take kumamatay na story. Tangan naman tayo. Wish you. Sabi niya, kasal.
Nambag na bigat ng amin.
amin kana kayo ako. Iti lang may bagat kanuwis ko dagitoy anak sa pera ko mata mapadam amin nga rapa data amok nga ato di kasla plano da iti pinagbiag ket sa pera ko mata ikan sa pera ko mata ikan ni apo iti nananay nga salsalunat da ken game agin nayat kayo kung anak ko ang kayo kung mga agin nayat kayo wag pinat kayo Naidalang din talikagod po ka na kayo anak ko. Kanti lang ng ronan unay ko ma. Idag sinumbangir ko ma nga naganak niyo. Hindi pa kayo kamangan niyo. Respeto ko mga anak ko. Kayo ko mga dati. No, daging ti problema yo. Da kami nga naganak yo. Adadag ito ninang-ninong yo. Auntie, uncle yo. Pagkamangan yo, no. Hanyang masolve ti problema niyo. Kanti may sapay. Ulit-ulit anak ko. Hindi lang interpretarang ko. Sabi, lagi ti pang plano yung ti pinagbiag ka. Atong paliyukat. Dagita lang ti kaya ko nga may baga. Congratulations anak ko. Happy wedding.
Thank you. Thank you baga. Ninong ako, sama ko kayo kaya. Namin kayo yung wish, sir.
Aswan.
Aswan.
Ngayon bigat tayo amin. Lala na ibagada mo sa amin kasi pa yung man. Kaya ayos ko kung masasabi po natin na wala pong perfect marriage. Ang dinadalangin ko na lang, pero naniniwala pa ako yung sinasabi nilang love is meron forever. May baga kasi nga yun para ma-fulfill na yung mga pag nag-aaway kayo, huwag kayong matutulog na hindi nyo naayos. Nyo nga napagtungtungan mga ornos, dapat matulog kayo nga awan iti sakit tinakin ano ang kayo kakapa kaya bawat araw na gigising kayo andun kayo sa honeymoon stage na kandalayon na ang panunutan nyo di kinapit si ayat ko si Maysa. At mamati ako kasi si panunod yung kanayan nga ay inayat kayo. Lahat ng mga problema nyo at pagsubok ay malalagpasan nyo. At yun yung kinasabi kong maaari man natin sabihin na walang perfectong marriage. Pero dahil sa mga gagawin nyo at susundin yung mga bagay-bagay na yun ay magkakaroon kayo ng forever. Yun lang po. Maraming po.
Thank you. Dapay na po. Nag-wish. Nag-your friends. Family. Sige. Sir.
Yung mga bigatani ni Apple Kumami at Mayor. Thank you. Ipatek ng Islam kaliyo ya. Kaya kung alam tayo nga, ang perfecto nga ba, na Mary. Ada, no arami din yun. Ana, kaya dito lang patek tama yung bakat kanya dito. Kung matutulagan na dito, bakit kita tayo. Mapaspasama mo rin mo, kasarap na katawanan. Kung siguro, tingnan mo makita at ako mali pa nagtarik kung gano'n sa kanayan mo kapilas na. Ayan-ayat yun, maperfect yun, mga agasawa ito yun, ito na sa rin niya. Yan lang ako yun.
Thank you. Ayun.
Just a reminder sa akin, Mark and Jessel, alam ba niyo kung anong kinunta niyo ngayon? You are made one in the power of marriage. God instituted our authority, governing authority, our mayor, who join you together from different person into one, to work into a family, to build a family together. Kaya kayo, magkita na kayo ngayon. Meron man kayong differences, you have to settle it together. Knowing that you are one, according to the family na ginawa ni Mayor ngayon. God bless.
Thank you, thank you. Sige, mga friends. Okay, sarap kayong dalawa. Hawak mo muna yung kamay niya, Mark. Okay? Oh. Rachel B., ano naman gusto mo sabihin to your husband to be? Promise mo, ang vows mo sa kanya. Basahin mo. Ganyan.
Makababululak na yun. Ganda na ba natin sa... B, thank you so much for filling the missing piece in my life. For understanding, caring and loving me for who I am now and then. Be like what they say, there is no remedy for love, but to love more. You make me laugh, you make me think, and above all, you make me happy. I love you with my whole heart, with a passion that can't be expressed in words. I promise to be your honest, faithful, and loving wife for the rest of my days. To be your navigator, best friend, and wife, I promise to honor, love, and cherish you through all life's adventure. Whenever we go, we'll go together. To be your guiding light in darkness. A warming comfort in cold, and a shoulder to lean on when life is too much to bear on own. To always protect you from harm, to stand with you against your troubles, and to look to you when I need protection. Today, I say I do, but to me, that means I will. I will take your hand and stand by your side in the good and in the bad. I dedicate myself to your happiness, success, and smile. I love you forever. You are my dream. You are my every dream come true, and I can't wait for the reality we build together. I will honor you, love you, and cherish you as my husband today and every day. I love you.
Thank you. Sulatin na. Hindi, sige. I-access mo yung phone mo.
Memorize muna.
Ay, memorize mo.
Sabihin ko na.
Sige, oh. Hawakan mo yung kamay niya. Oh, sige. Hawakan mo ni kamay sa katignan mo yung mata niya para mas kaya ka.
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na napakaswerte ko ngayong araw na to. Kasi sa kahit ano man, nang dumating na susubok sa atin, yung nalampasan natin, at tayo tinagdan ng Panginoon. So, I love you so much. Salamat sa mga mabubuting nagawa mo para sa akin.
I love you. Oh, sige. Hawakan mo pa rin yung kamay niya. Hawakan mo pa rin yung kamay niya. Okay? So, Mark, pala, sorry ha? I hereby take you, Rachel Gay, to be my wife.
I here to be take you.
I hereby take you.
I here.
Here.
I here.
I hereby take you,
I hereby take you,
Rachel Gay,
Joshua Lee,
to be my
to
wife,
be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better and for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and for
poorer,
poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness,
and in health,
and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we be parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Very good. Follow after me also, ha? I hereby take you, Mark Verhel,
I
I hereby take you, Mark Verheyen,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection,
and one affection,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for
better or for worse,
better and for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
for sickness and health,
to love
to love
and to cherish,
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we be parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Good. Okay? By the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Bambang, Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have conducted and now pronounce you lawfully wedded husband and wife. Sige, you may now kiss the bride.
Ito na yun.
Ay, babe. Mesa pa.
One minute. Okay. Ako na nag-witness ako nung mabalin nilong ina, ang witness kaya pirmada sa ako. As witnesses. Kahit dalawa, tatlo na pa. Four copies also? Congratulations. Congratulations. Sige po, picture taking tayo. Paraman, no? sila. So, ano kayo? Para dito tayo.
Auntie, alisin na.
Okay. Si Carlo sana.
One, two, three. Wait, nakakasi ka na sa akin. Titignan na sa akin.
Ano di ba pick up na sa pero hindi.
Ay, pabili pala.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Diba po? 1, 2, 3.
Next. Ninong ina.
One, two, three. Diba po? 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa po. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Ninong lang.
Next mo kaya kapatid pa.
Kapatid lang muna.
Wait lang, wait lang. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Sama pa. Ninang. Then next po yung mga
Kapatid and friend.
magulang kayo lang. 1, 2, 3. Dapay?
Ay, Nina.
Ninang. 1, 2, 3. Parents.
Kapag sa ko kayo. Tapos si Manang.
Parents ka ano?
Hindi yung kaya. Parents ko, parents. Tatlo kang dalawa lang. Me. I'm bright. Maka. That's one of the... Nilo. Malamig ka na.
Na kayo pa lang.